In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. We'll walk through this step by step right inside Notion's own settings, so by the end, you'll have the official Trello integration connected and ready to use. Make sure you're logged into your Notion workspace before you start, and it also helps to be logged into your Trello account in the same browser so the connection process is smoother. First, open Notion and head to your main home area. This is usually what you see when you first log in, your sidebar on the left and your main pages on the right. From here, look towards the top left of the screen for the Workspace menu where you can access your account and workspace settings. Next, click on Settings. This opens up the panel where you manage everything related to your account and workspace. On the left side of this panel, you'll see a list of sections. Look for the one labeled Connections. Go ahead and click on Connections. This is where Notion lets you manage all the different apps and services that can plug into your workspace. To find Trello, you'll want to browse the full gallery of available integrations. So now, click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This will open Notion's Integrations gallery in a new view or tab. You'll see a search bar at the top and a grid of different apps below. In the search bar, start typing the name of the integration you're looking for. Type in Trello clearly so Notion can filter the results. After a moment, you should see the Trello integration card appear in the list. Click on Trello to open its integration page. Here, Notion gives you a quick overview of what the integration does and how it connects your Trello boards with your Notion workspace. On this page, click on Add to Notion. This starts the actual connection process. A confirmation window will pop up inside Notion, asking if you're sure you want to add this integration to your workspace. Click on OK to confirm. You may see a second confirmation or permissions prompt. Again, click on OK. These prompts are there to make sure you understand that Trello will be allowed to share data with Notion. Finally, you'll see an option to authorize the connection. Click on Connect. If needed, Trello may ask you to log in or approve access. Once you've done that, the integration is complete, and Trello is now connected to your Notion workspace.